Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn about how to do slice effect for text. We learn quick and easy method to do it. So let's get into it. Take new layer and change the color whichever you want. Now type the text which you want to do with. With the help of the pen tool, cut the text crossly, because it looks effective on the screen. Now apply layer mask to the text layer, then copy the text layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Now invert the layer by pressing Ctrl+I. Then take a new layer. Now, hold Ctrl and click on the layer mask. Then, with the help of the brush tool, make the text looks like it's sliced. Do same for this one. Hope you liked this video, and for more updates, don't forget to subscribe my channel.